On today's episode of Designing Spaces, looking for the perfect tires? Discount Tire's new selection tool, Treadwell, will steer you in the right direction. Synthetic motor oil is far superior to conventional, and Pennzoil knows a thing or two about synthetics. Feel like you need a Siri or Alexa for the car? Verizon's Hum keeps you connected and informed. If you're talking about car belts, Dayco's belts with EPDM compound are second to none. Tires. They're crucial for safety, comfort, and fuel efficiency when it comes to our vehicles. And critical for driving in different terrain and weather conditions in all seasons. Yet, 65% of consumers don't know what tires are best for their needs.
There's a great need for consumer education in tires. There are 4 contact points with the ground, so safety is very important, but tires also impact the way that your vehicle rides, handles, and carries your family. So we want to make sure our customers are safe and have a worry-free experience with the tires they choose.
That's important for people like Jackie Schmall and her 3 young active children, including 21-month-old Nate. She regularly takes her kids to the park and is especially concerned with their safety when driving.
So we enjoy going to the park. We go on a lot of trips to go camping. We drive a lot. Safety is really important to us. In Florida, there's a lot of rain, and sometimes it comes down really heavy. So I want to make sure that when I'm driving with my kids, the car is stable, that I'm not going to hydroplane. You want to make sure that your entire car is working properly and that your tires, especially, are going to do what they're supposed to do.
But when it comes time for replacing those tires, Jackie is the first to admit she doesn't have a clue.
So right now, the tires, they just look pretty worn. They don't look like, new tires anymore at all. I don't know so much about tires. I actually have never bought my own tires for my car, so this is gonna be my first experience. Luckily, my husband has usually done that chore for us. Usually when I think I need tires, it's when I stop and I feel like the car might skid a little bit, but other than that, I'm not really sure which tires that I should buy.
And that's where Discount Tire, America's largest independent tire and wheel retailer, helps people like Jackie in providing an education about tires.
Is it okay if I take measurements on the tires?
Sure.
So the number one thing for tire safety, especially when choosing a replacement tire, is going to be how well that tire helps you stop, both in dry conditions and on wet roads. So that tire impacts greatly the distance it takes you to stop once you hit the brakes. Discount Tire started in Ann Arbor, Michigan in 1960 with 1 store and 6 tires. We've now grown to 1,000 locations across 34 states, and we just want to be your neighborhood tire store in as many places as we can.
Wet weather climate, it's actually getting a rating of 4.5 out of 5.
Jackie and her kids came in, and that's very typical. All right, we'll have anywhere from, driver coming in alone, driver coming in with the whole family, and it's great when we get to meet the whole family and see the people that we get to help service.
And Discount Tire's newest innovation in the tire buying experience? Treadwell, a tire selection software tool which ensures that customers are recommended the best possible tires for their needs.
Treadwell is a tire selection tool that we're introducing to help ease some of the pain and worry of the tire selection process. There are so many tire options out there, and what we want to do is make sure that we pick the right tire for every customer and their needs.
So if you want, I'll take the keys from it. I'll get it checked in. You're not going to be here for very long.
So for customers like Jackie who haven't been in to buy tires before, we want to make that experience as easy as possible. So we take and test tires independently for several different categories, and then we match them up for each driver, their vehicle, the area that they drive in, the weather for that area, and then things that are most important to them.
Florida has a lot of rain, so I'm going to be excited that we have safe tires on the car.
Ours is unique in the fact that we capture data from real-world drivers just like Jackie, just like everybody out there that come into our stores to understand how long the tires are going to last. We also test tires independently for ride quality, noise, handling, and stopping distance. That way we make sure we've matched up the absolute best product for the customer.
So as Jackie and her kids watch from the lobby window, the installation of new tires on their vehicle is completed quickly and efficiently, so the family can get back on the road.
You want to check the tires out?
Yes. That was so quick. I'm amazed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, guys, they're all shiny and new. It was great. Everyone here was so friendly and nice. It was clean. I sat here with all 3 of my kids and they did great. I would definitely come back.
We want to make sure she's got peace of mind with her tire purchase and that she knows her family is going to be safe when they come and see us for their tire needs.
To learn more about Discount Tire and its Treadwell Tire Selection Tool, go to their website, discounttire.com, or go to designingspaces.tv to see this portion of the show again. Kara just bought a new pre-owned car, but when it comes to the upkeep of a car, she's in uncharted territory.
You know, I don't know much about car maintenance. I've never really given a whole lot of thought to things like air filters, brakes, oil changes, so I'm a little bit nervous.
Well, we have the perfect person to allay Kara's fears about taking care of her new used car.
Thanks for having me. It's good to see you. Yeah. Let's take a look at the car. I'm Shanna Simmons. I am a mechanical engineer with Pennzoil, and I'm here today to help Kara with her new used car figure out car maintenance and the details around motor oil. So Kara, I heard you purchased your first used vehicle.
I did, but now I don't know what to do with it. I don't know anything about what's under the hood.
After pointing out the various parts of the engine, Shanna focuses on perhaps its most important component, the motor oil.
Motor oil is basically the lifeblood of your engine. So if you imagine your engine here and think of all the mechanical metal parts moving, your motor oil helps to protect those parts against friction. It also helps to clean, cool, and protect your engine. So Kara, we just talked about your car's engine. Now we're going to review the different types of motor oil.
Okay.
So first you have conventional, and that's your bare minimum basic motor oil. Then you have a synthetic blend, which is a mixture of both conventional and synthetic together. And then you have synthetic, which is the best performance for your car.
My car, the modern engine, right, needs the synthetic. Why is that better?
Modern engines operate hotter, so you need that high temperature performance and those additional performance benefits that synthetics offer.
Got it. Okay.
Now, my personal favorite synthetic is Pennzoil Platinum. So Pennzoil synthetics are made from natural gas instead of crude oil.
Okay.
So because they're made from natural gas, not only is it a more innovative process, but it also gives you additional benefits like clean pistons, fuel economy, and high temperature performance. So first off, when you take a look at the label, you're gonna see it says full synthetic.
Okay.
And then you want to look for the viscosity that matches your owner's manual. So here you see it says 0W20.
Okay.
And so that's what you want for your vehicle.
Awesome. All right, I'm feeling pretty good about this.
Okay, well then get ready because I'm going to give you a pop quiz later.
Oh great, I don't know if I'm that ready.
Before giving Kara the pop quiz, Shanna has a few last tips for her inside the car.
So your owner's manual is usually located in the glove box.
Okay.
So that will tell you what engine oil to use, so the engine oil specification, the viscosity grade, and when to change your oil.
Okay.
Which will depend on whether you're doing normal driving or severe driving. To make things easier, you can also follow your oil indicator light, which will be on the dashboard of your car.
That I can do.
So Kara, I did promise you a pop quiz.
I was hoping you were going to forget.
So the first question is, what does motor oil do inside your engine?
Okay, so I think it keeps everything cool because things get really hot in there and they all rub together and we don't want the engine to explode.
Exactly, yes. It also helps to clean your engine and protect it against wear. Very good.
Okay, got that.
The next question is, what's better for your engine, conventional or synthetic?
So, because my car is newer and more modern, synthetic, right?
Yes, yes. I'm so proud of you, yeah.
I got this.
Next time your oil indicator light comes on, probably the easiest thing to do is just to go to Jiffy Lube. So Jiffy Lube can change your oil. They also do tires and brakes. It's super convenient, fast, and simple.
It was really great working with Shanna. She made everything really simple and broke everything down, helped explain all the things I really need to know to take care of the maintenance on my car.
Kara is so ready to take over her car's maintenance. She was enthusiastic. She really wanted to learn. Now I think whenever she goes into Jiffy Lube, she'll know exactly what to ask for and she'll feel empowered about making decisions for her car.
After spending quality time with Shanna, Kara was ready to take her car to Jiffy Lube for an oil change.
Welcome to Jiffy Lube, ma'am. My name's Jordan. How can I help you today?
Hi, Jordan. I have an indicator light on in my car, and I think I need an oil change.
Perfect. We can get that taken care of for you.
For more information on how Pennzoil products can improve your car's performance, check out their website, pennzoil.com. The digital and connected lifestyle is well within reach today. And now you can add connected technology with a wide range of features to your vehicle. And that can provide peace of mind to any driver who's worried about the safety and health of both their vehicle and, most importantly, the people in it.
Safety is always a major concern for me. I drive 3 small children around all the time, and you never know what could go wrong. So I'm constantly on high alert. I'm always thinking about the health of my children and the health of my vehicle.
As a mother of 3 children, including her toddler daughter Solange, Ilona Anderson spends a lot of time each day driving her kids around her South Florida town. It means a busy schedule and constant worry about being prepared for the unexpected.
It's just not possible to predict everything. It could be a flat tire, it could be a car accident, we could get lost, we could get stranded.
So when Ilona heard about a product that could help her take care of her car and everyone in it, she was ecstatic. Hum by Verizon is the connected car system that can help Ilona be ready for the road ahead, with automatic vehicle health updates, 24/7 help for car trouble, and so much more. The system is designed to be quickly installed by any driver, and all of this means peace of mind for Ilona.
Hum is an amazing device, but it is also super simple to install. All you have to do is plug it in, download the app, turn on the speaker, follow the instructions, and voila, you're ready to go for a drive. I'm not a tech whiz by any means, but this is very simple.
After simply driving a few miles, the Hum OBD reader has downloaded her car's data, and Ilona can now access it all right from the Hum app. Ready to offer Ilona a multitude of benefits, including easy-to-understand vehicle diagnostics to keep her updated on her car's health. Crash response, which can send emergency services to her location if a crash is detected. And features like location sharing and speed and boundary alerts to keep Ilona connected to her family and her car, no matter who's behind the wheel.
One of the most useful benefits that I think Hum has is pinpoint roadside assistance. Hum can call for help even if I don't know where I am. There's also the number share feature that allows me to make phone calls. I can call my 3 favorite numbers. Even if I don't have my cell phone with me or it dies while I'm out and about, I can still use the Hum device to make phone calls and receive phone calls. Hum runs diagnostics on my car every time I drive, and if there's an issue with my car, it alerts me.
This new integrated technology has already helped many people keep their cars connected and their families safer. With over 500,000 car issues detected and over 38,000 customers helped after an accident, Hum is technology that takes care of your car and everyone in it.
I feel so much safer using Hum. It has really provided me with so much peace of mind in terms of both the safety of my children and the safety of my car.
To learn more about Hum by Verizon and its many benefits, go to its website at hum.com or visit your local Verizon store. You can also go to designingspaces.tv to see this portion of the show again. Just a typical day in the Witten family. Things are hectic, and there is no time for their car to not work properly.
Well, my crazy morning routine consists of getting lunches ready, cleaning up dishes from breakfast. We usually are rushing. There's usually something that's happened that causes us to be behind. My car is very important to me. We rely on it immensely. Well, I don't know anything about car maintenance. I only know there is something wrong with my car if a light comes on or I hear a noise.
Studies show up to 77% of women feel misunderstood by automakers and get taken advantage of by mechanics. So it is important to be educated when it comes to vehicle maintenance. Based on the loud noise Nicole's vehicle was making, she decided to take it in to the mechanic to run a few tests.
I don't really trust very many mechanics. I feel like they know I have no idea what's going on with my car.
The mechanic checks the Serpentine Belt to determine whether the noise was a chirp or a squeal. Once he determines if the Serpentine Belt must be replaced, the installation is quick and easy. He uses a variety of tests to determine if the Serpentine Belt is what is wrong with the vehicle.
The front-end accessory drive Serpentine Belt controls many aspects. You've got your alternator, you've got a power steering, you've got a compressor, pretty much all the front-end accessories of a motor. Well, in industry standard, you have what's the 60 to 90 rule. In our industry, you like to initial inspect at 60,000 miles, where we found the premium replacement is right around 90,000 miles. We have a water bottle test that we were able to do, and what the water bottle test does is it actually helps you really differentiate the difference between a squeal and a chirp. We found that the chirp is primarily caused by misalignment, where your squeal is primarily caused by lack of tension.
All right, ma'am, so as you know, your car is over 100,000 miles and you are getting some noise from your belt.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a water bottle test.
Okay.
Which is we're gonna spray the belt, and if the belt is chirping, it just might need to be tightened, but if it squeals, then we need to replace the tensioner and the belt altogether. So let's see what happens.
We're talking about that belt right there.
Exactly.
Right? Okay.
So as you can hear, you're getting some squealing going on, so the tensioner and the belt will have to be replaced.
So I guess that's all we need to do?
That's it. That should fix the problem and you should be good to go.
Okay.
If you take it to your local repair shop, or if you talk to a parts store, we actually have tools that actually measure the rib depth gauge, because your belts are now wearing similar to tires with the components and the compound that they're made out of.
Okay, ma'am, so this is the belt that we replaced your car with.
Okay.
And this was your old one.
Okay.
As you can see, when we put this bar in here, there's a test to see if the belt worn out. It's flat.
Oh, I see.
And this one will be raised. You want to touch it.
Oh, yeah.
And that's how we knew that it needed to be replaced.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, very good. I feel much better when the mechanic can show me what's wrong with the car, and then I can feel confident that I can let my daughter drive it and nothing's going to break down. When he shows me exactly what's wrong, it makes me feel very comfortable. This is great. The car works, it runs well, no more funny noises, no more lights coming on. I feel very good about giving this car to you now.
I can't wait to be able to drive this car now.
Yeah, it's good. Everything works.
Providing the maintenance to keep your vehicles running properly, Dayco approaches the market differently from most of its competition. Built for passenger cars and light-duty trucks, Dayco's extensive line of poly-rib serpentine belts are engineered for high mileage.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces. Making a space you can call home, living the lifestyle you desire. It's what we're all about. We are Designing Spaces.